In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your subscription on Lovable AI, whether you've decided to take a break or simply no longer need the service. It's important to know how to properly manage your subscriptions. Let's jump right in and make sure you're on the right track to cancel any unwanted subscription. First things first, you'll want to log into your Lovable AI account. Make sure you have your login credentials at hand. Once you've entered your email or username and password, you should be directed straight to your account dashboard. Logging in is the initial step because you need full access to navigate through the necessary settings for cancellation. After logging in, you'll need to head over to where you manage your account details. This is typically found under the Account Settings or Subscription Management section. These sections serve as your hub for any changes you need to make regarding your subscriptions. So look carefully through the menu options until you find either of these terms, Account Settings or Subscription Management, as that's your next destination. Once there, locate your active subscription plan. This section will have all the information about your current subscription, including what plan you are on, when it renews, and the amount you are being charged. This is a critical part of the process because it ensures that you are canceling the correct service. Now look for the option that says cancel subscription or something similar. The wording might slightly vary, so keep an eye out for anything that implies ending your subscription. Clicking this will initiate the cancellation process. Companies sometimes use different terminology, but the intent is the same, to end the service. After clicking, follow any prompts that pop up to confirm your cancellation. These additional steps are there to double check that you truly want to cancel. It might ask you for the reason you're leaving or offer you different options, such as possibly changing plans instead. This part of the process is designed to provide the service with feedback, and sometimes they offer incentives to keep you subscribed. But if you're sure you want to cancel, proceed through these prompts with confidence. Finally, it's crucial to verify that your cancellation is complete. This can usually be done through a confirmation email sent to your registered email address, or you can check your account status directly on the platform to see that there's no longer an active subscription. It's always a good idea to save that confirmation email for your records, just in case you need to reference it in the future. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can cancel your Lovable AI subscription without a hitch. It's always useful to know how to manage your subscriptions efficiently so you're only paying for the services you actually use. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful.